Welcome to Most Amazing Top 10 Faceless YouTube Channel Ideas. In this video, we'll be exploring the most amazing top 10 YouTube faceless channel ideas that you can start today. Before we dive into the ideas, let's first talk about what a faceless YouTube channel is. A faceless YouTube channel is one where the creator remains anonymous and does not show their face on camera. This type of channel is perfect for those who want to maintain their privacy or simply prefer to remain behind the scenes. Number 1. True Crime. A faceless channel dedicated to discussing true crime cases, theories, and investigations. You can use voiceovers and animations to present your content without revealing your identity. Number 2. DIY and Crafting. A faceless channel dedicated to sharing creative DIY and crafting tutorials. You can demonstrate your techniques through close-up shots of your hands and provide voiceovers to guide your viewers. Number 3. ASMR. A faceless channel dedicated to creating soothing ASMR content, such as whispering, tapping, and soft-spoken roleplays. You can use a microphone to capture the sounds and provide calming visuals without showing your face. Number 4. Gaming. A faceless channel dedicated to sharing gameplay footage, reviews, and tutorials. You can use screen recording software to capture your games and provide commentary without revealing your identity. Number 5. Travel. A faceless channel dedicated to sharing travel vlogs, tips, and advice. You can use voiceovers, scenic shots, and on-screen text to guide your viewers without showing your face. Number 6. Conspiracy theories. A faceless channel dedicated to exploring conspiracy theories and alternative viewpoints. You can use animations and voiceovers to present your theories with. Number 7. Product reviews. A faceless channel dedicated to reviewing products and services, such as tech gadgets, beauty products, and household items. You can use close-up shots of the products and provide voiceovers to share your opinions without showing your face. Number 8. Food and cooking. A faceless channel dedicated to sharing cooking tutorials, food reviews, and culinary adventures. You can use overhead shots of the food and provide voiceovers to guide your viewers without showing your face. Number 9. Fitness and wellness. A faceless channel dedicated to sharing workout routines, yoga classes, and wellness tips. You can use on-screen graphics and voiceovers to guide your viewers without showing your face. Number 10. Motivational and inspirational. A faceless channel dedicated to sharing motivational speeches, inspirational stories, and personal growth advice. You can use animations, on-screen text, and voiceovers to inspire your viewers without revealing your identity. Here are the most amazing top 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas. Let me know in the comment below if you know any more. Don't forget to like, share,